Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Wow. So what's your name, man, and what's in here? Go for it.
Mason. I got 2 X-Max 15s with Corey SPL Blue Game inserts. VFL 8K 72 amp hour Elition.
That's an 8K? Sorry to interrupt you. That's a big 8K. Wow. Yeah. All right, go ahead. Keep going. My bad. Wow.
Yeah, Brand X 390. Oh, Fat Boy external regulator.
Okay. Yeah, I really heard the lyrics with this thing. Yeah.
It's a loud work truck. It's my work truck.
Work? You drive out of it a lot?
Yeah, probably. This is my daily half on.
Okay.
It's a real daily half on.
Nice.
I work in it every day.
Okay. Can I see the back of the box and check it out? Wow. So you've got hatch issues. You got to climb back there to open it?
Oh, well, yeah, you already know I broke everything.
Oh, yeah. Do you need me to help you open it? No. Okay. Still not opening. Don't worry about it. Oh my God.
I broke on camera though, so.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Oh, that door opens.
This one open.
There we go.
Oh, got it. Okay. The hatch thing will broke off. Wow.
Broke the handle rather.
Oh. What's the lithium size on this?
It was a 72.
70. Wow. Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah, my cousin.
Looks really good.
Explicit audio built that box.
Okay.
Out. I did switch the box out.
Okay.
Explicit audio built that.
Looks really good,
So it was
dude.
about 29 hertz.
Do you have any pictures of the box? Since you can't open the back, kind of see how the port looks. Oh, so they're tuned to have them. Okay, got it. Those are really beefy subs, like 2,500 RMS or something. Wow.
Took a photo of it with the hatch open.
Yeah, man. I know the hatch really tears up with all the bass flexes.
Right. I literally just broke the handle right now. Like, that's crazy. On camera. Loose.
I was not expecting that.
But the lock mechanism doesn't work, the actuator, so you gotta manually unlock
Oh, got it. Okay. If you don't have a picture, don't worry about it, man.
it. No, I don't think I got a photo in this phone.
No worries. I appreciate it, man.
Lowest I go is about 20 on that.
20? Oh, wow. and gets low. I was surprised you played down to 22 on that, man. That was pretty good.
Lowest I go is about 20 on that.
20? Oh, wow.